These video tutorials show you how you can open encrypted drive on your Windows 11 machine, and you have enabled BitLocker as your encrypted feature your Windows 11 machine. So let's dive in. Hello, my name is Sakwade. These video tutorials show you step-by-step process for you to open an encrypted drive on your Windows 11 machine with your BitLocker features enabled. Find more information on how you can activate or enable a BitLocker on your Windows 11. Click on the link on the top. So to start, on the taskbar, I click on File Explorer. Then you click on this PC. Here you'll find the drive that have been enabled or you have activated your BitLocker. So you right click on your drive. Click on Open. Then you input password. You type in the recovery password to open your drive to have full access to your encrypted files on your local drive. So I've opened it, then I can access my drive. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, then click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video.